It's time to add a splash of creativity to your work. Join us in Renderpub Studio and let's explore the art of rendering step by step. Look for an Export or Save option in the Renderpub Studio interface. Typically, you can find this option in the File menu or toolbar. Before exporting, ensure your scene is set up the way you want it. This includes camera angles, lighting, and other scene elements. Make any necessary adjustments. Renderpub Studio usually provides options for exporting images, videos, and spaces. Select the export type you need. Depending on your chosen export type, you may need to adjust settings such as resolution, quality, and format. For images, you can typically choose formats like JPG or PNG, and for videos, you can select formats like MP4. Specify the directory where you want to save the exported file. Use the Browse or Select Folder button to navigate to your desired location. If you're exporting a video, you may need to specify the range of frames you want to export. You can choose to export the entire timeline or a specific frame range. If you're exporting a video, adjust video-specific settings such as frame rate, codec, and quality. 9. Start export. Once you've set up all the export settings, click the Export button to begin the export process. After the export is complete, review the exported file to ensure it meets your expectations. You can now share your exported images or videos, use them in presentations, or further edit them in other software if needed. Spaces WebVR Exporter. Locate the WebVR exporter and add walk. Add hotspots and tag objects within the walk. Click on the Spaces option and sign in to continue. Name your walkthrough and hit Export. You will now have a Spaces walkthrough link that you will be able to share. This concludes our tutorial on the types of exporters available in Renderpub Studio. Thank you for joining us in the journey of rendering your masterpieces.